at Matenga. I was born in Wellington, St. Helens Hospital in 1954. Grew up in a little place called Titahi Bay, Takapua here. And I was with them for about a year, and then I moved down to Palmerston North, had enough of that place, and that's how I ended up with my scooter I got now. And then I moved back up here and got back into Rauawa. And I felt so comfortable back here with them. Before the lockdown, I was 191, I think it was. And when I weighed myself on Wednesday, just gone, here, I was 178.3. The first 2 weeks I was all right, and then I forgot to take my metformin on the third week. A couple of days I missed. And then when you're a diabetic and you miss your medication, it drains you. You just get so tired and can't bother doing nothing. And so I rang the doctor, and the doctor asked me, and it just clicked that I didn't take it. And then when I did start to take it, it took me about 3 days to get it back up again. Instead of being bored at home, I just say, get out of your seat, get out of your couch, and enjoy the outdoors the way you can. Because as you get older, you end up being housebound. And you don't want to get housebound. I take my hat off to this organisation because they've helped me quite a lot all the time I've been here. They've supported me right through the whole lockdown. Every week or every day just about, they're calling in to see if I'm all right, or bringing me a food package or cleaning products. The nurses, they come and see if my health's all right. They check my blood pressure and all that. Keep doing what they're doing because they're doing an awesome job. And I'm pretty sure every Kaumātua that comes here will say the same thing.